This question is from Geeta Mataji. She asked, Hare Krishna Guruji, I have a question on chapter 4, Divya Gyan, Sloka 13. Can you explain that briefly? Because I read that there was four division of people. I thought the division was done by people, not God. God does not discriminate. If God has created division, then did he not know that people will misuse it? Is it true? Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you for asking such a very good question, Hare Krishna. This is actually in this fourth chapter, 13th slokam, Krishna is saying that Chaturvarnya maya srishtam guna karma vibhagasara. Tasya kartaram apimam vidhi akartaram abhyam. So Krishna is saying that I created. Maya srishtam means created by me. That's what maya srishtam. Chaturvarnyam means four varnas. So there is Brahmana Kshatriya Visam Sudranam Cha Parantapa Karmani Pravibhaktani Swabhava Prabhavai Gunehi. So in the 18th chapter, sloka number 41, Krishna is saying this sloka. Brahmana Kshatriya Visam Sudranam. So these are the Chatur Varnas, four Varnas. That is Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaisya, Sudra. So Krishna is used in the same sloka, this 4th chapter 13 sloka and 18th chapter sloka number 41. Krishna is using very important thing. It is based on guna karma. So Chaturvanya Maya Srishtam guna karma vibhagasaka. Based on one's activity due to his guna. Everyone, we need to understand one thing. That every one of us have our own gunas. And that is known as Swabhava. Swabhava Prabhavai Gunayi. From the gunas, from the three modes of material nature, our Swabhava is there. This is a science. That's what we need to understand. So each individual Atma has his or her own Swabhava. We see his or her because of the body. But if we see Atma, there is nothing like male or female Atma. Atma is the soul. Each soul has own Swabhava, its own Swabhava. So, based on that Swabhava, we will be divided into these four categories. This is not caste, we need to understand. So these days, we think that somebody who takes birth in a Brahmana family is Brahmin by birth or Kshatriya by birth. It is not by birth, we need to understand. If a person who has taken birth in a Brahmana family, he also should have that Swabhava for that Brahmana. Then only he will be a Brahmana. That's what Swabhava Prabhavai Gunahi. So that's what the gunas, based on the gunas, the three modes of material nature, and it is a science. And this science is actually, even without knowing that this is the science from Bhagavad Gita, this science is very much used in the industries. Many major multinational industries, they are using it very much. You can just go and Google it. Just Google it, disc profiling. DISC. So that's what is disc. Just Google disc profiling. Many major, big, large industries, they profile their employees. They do that disc profile. So it's very much, there is a training they will give, and you can give some survey, and based on the way you answer the questions, they will be able to determine whether you belong to D, I, S or C. What is D? Dominance. I is influence. S is steadiness, and C is compliance. So that's what is the disc profile. So dominance is for Kshatriya, influence is Vaisya, and steadiness is Brahmana, and compliance is Sudra. So this is naturally, it is there. So it's already there, everyone is using. So based upon, and also they have the disc profiling, if you study in length, you will understand that there are two kinds of profile they do. One is the natural profile and another is the acquired profile. The natural profile is our Swadharma. By naturally we have. Acquired profile is Paradharma. So that's what Krishna is talking about, Swadharma and Paradharma. Sreyan Swadharmo Vigunaga Paradharma Swanustitan Swadharme Nidanam Sreyaga Paradharma Bhayabhaga. So based on the three modes of material nature, once Swabhava is decided, that is based on the particular combination of these three modes. Like color, the three colors, RGB, red, green, blue. So if you mix them in different combinations, different proportions, you will get all different colors. So basically only there are three colors. Even in our eyes also, the photoreceptors also, they will sense these three colors, RGB. So there are cones. So that way, these three colors only, combination of these three colors will give different colors. So similarly, different proportions of these three modes of material nature gives one's swabhava. So based on this swabhava, you can swabhava prabhavair gunagi, these four varnas are there. So this is basically a science. But these days people just by birth, they don't see the soul, they see the body. So there is a problem. So the way right now you are designating based on birth, that is not correct. So Krishna didn't create by birth. Krishna created these varnas based on the swabhava, based on the gunas, based on one's work. The work is actually done by the gunas. We are not doing any work. All the work activity is carried out by the three modes of material nature. So that way, based on the three modes of material nature only, these varnas are there. It is not based on the soul, or it is not based on the birth. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji.